Assalamu alaikum. Today, we're delving into a topic that affects many aspects of our lives, relationships. Let's explore this through the lens of authentic hadiths to gain valuable insights. In Islam, relationships hold immense importance. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the value of authentic connections. One hadith teaches us that a good companion is like a perfume seller. Even if you don't buy, you leave smelling good. But how do we identify fake relationships? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us about the company we keep. It's a reminder to build relationships on kindness, respect, and sincere communication. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Do not be people without minds of your own, saying that if others treat you well, you will treat them well, and that if they do wrong, you will do wrong." Islam guides us to foster genuine connections and avoid fake relationships. Let's reflect on the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as we navigate our social circles. If you found this video beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe. May peace and blessings be upon you all. Jazakallah khair for watching.